With that, the Shark Tank in the house. They, of course, weren't the only ones. There's the old Spirit Award. The Neon Panthers in full effect. And here come the Panthers. Fired up and ready to go. Early on action. St. James with the rock. Zach Werba throws into coverage. And look who picks it off. The number one play from last week. Graves with yet another fantastic interception. Later on, Forrest going to the ground. Anthony McAfee here with a long beauty of a run. But he's come up just a tad bit short of the end zone. Nevertheless, a few plays later, McAfee stopped. He stripped. Jamarius Faulkner recovers. A chance spoil for the Panthers. That's going to lead to a St. James 47-yard field goal in the second to give the Sharks a 3-0 lead. Carolina Force getting it back. Diverse Simmons. He didn't play at the beginning, but he came up and picked up where he left off. 30 yards down to the 4. Then Matt Beal, the sophomore sensation, keeper, end zone, 7-3 Carolina Forest. We got ourselves a game before the half. Werba forced to scramble, but boy, he is just lit up. Ryan Heron with a major hit. Score remains 7-3 at the half. Third quarter, Forest back on the doorstep. Beal on the keeper, takes it in for another score. Panthers up 14-3, still third. Diverse can't come up with the rock. The Sharks do. They scoop and they score. Persley would cut the Panther lead to 14-10. Oh man, that's a heartbreaker there. But in the fourth, they make up for it. The Forest putting it away. Beal with a 40-yard pass. Jason Kraft, my friend, that is one heck of a grab. You should be proud of that one. Simmons adds a late touchdown, and the Forest, they keep the Coney Bowl. Coach says, congratulations, young man. That is why you play football. Carolina Forest goes on to win this one, 28-10. Panthers improved to 2-1 on the season. More importantly than getting the W is they get to keep the old Coney Bowl trophy, and that's always a plus. Mark Morris has a little bit of time to kind of wind down and enjoy this game just because we made him come into the studio, because you know how Coach Morris is. He's always all about football.